Hey guys, it's Joey from Joey's Tool Chest and more. So my wife put this beautiful toy together for my daughter today, and upon putting the toy together, she rounded out some screws. So she says, I can't get them out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's broke. So I started to say, geez, I have the Mac Tools. The light's going to be an issue. SBDR121RBRT. So I immediately just went out and I got my RBRT bit set. And I just started poking. So I got this square one. It's an SQ1. And kind of tried to figure out which one was right for the job. And lo and behold, this one's doing it. It's coming out, backing out. It's hard to do holding the camera. Backing that screw right out. So in return, we have one of these sets already. It's just missing some pieces, but as you can see, she said it came like that. I'd be willing to bet that she did it. So I got one more down in here. It's a little hard to get to with filming, but where the hell is it here? Anyways, let me just set it down like this. Maybe this will give you the view. Maybe it won't, but I just want to show you guys. I got this thing right in there, and it's backing right out nice. No issues. So, 2 screws. So, she said it came mostly put together. She put it together, but there's more. We already had one of these toys, like I said, and it was missing most of the pieces. We got it second hand. So, my fix is to take the one that she wants to get rid of now. As you can see, we got 2 of them here. This is this one's still good. It's got the same 2 screws are good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the right head. And this is the first time I've honestly used this RBRT set, and I think Dan Steyer would be really impressed with this video right now, because I know he's always trying to find stuff to film this product, but this one just backed this right out nice. Actually, I think it'll go up one size. Oh yeah, one size did the trick the first time, fellas. Look at that. Magnetic. Ain't gotta worry about dropping nothing. So I got the screw all set here. So apparently this thing makes a freaking funky noises. So what I'm gonna do is put that in. Just gonna got it in and just tighten it up. Just tighten that up now. Perfect. So we got number two. Put it on the edge of the screwdriver here. Guys, I'll tell you what, I have the version of this kit that's not the RBRT, and I originally bought it and was like, I got it off of Marketplace and was like, oh yeah, you know, I'll multi-kit screwdriver. I think I paid $40 or $60 for it. It's basically the same set as this. And that was my first Mac tool purchase. And ever since then, I've been adding to my collection. So what I'm thinking now is, since this is rounded, I just want to see what fastener, if any, will get a bite. That feels pretty good right there. Now, flip this baby around. I just want to see if I can run these stripped ones back into this old one. And I'll tell you what, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that strip screw is right in, and that is a square RBRT head. Now I lost my other screw here somewhere, guys. I don't know what I did with it. It's not. Oh, speaking of the screw, I hear it. It's okay. So we're gonna run this other one in now. It does hold it. It does hold it. So can mechanics tools be used at home? I say yes. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's stripped, and it's in there, and it's tight. I don't know how good this is going to show you guys. No, that's a square head, RBRT. Quite happy, quite pleased, honestly. Like I said, first time really using this set. I bought it. This was actually my I want to say it's my first, no, it's my second RBRT purchase. I have this, and I have a master head of hex, and then I have a little strip set of 3/8 Allens that another YouTuber had sent me. So I know I often get a lot of questions about why I'm Joey's tool chest and more. So guys, I'm a flipper too. I like to flip things. I'm not heavy at it as I should be. I'm gonna start being a little heavier, but I have all these old Udinen scanners that kind of been kicking around, and kind of went on eBay, and I've determined they got some value. Now, like, here's one. Here's a Udinen BC 345 CRS. $4.99 at my Goodwill I bought this for. So now I like to go over here on the eBay and just kind of look. So I'm gonna go to, oh, I don't know how to do it on here. I know how to do it on my phone. Let's see, customize. Best match. Oh, I don't know how to do it on here. I don't know how to do it on here. But on my phone, I just go in and I look. And I can just go back and see the sold listings. This really sucks. I don't know how to do this on my Mac. Let's try ending. No. Usually I can do sold, but oh, maybe if I do advanced in the search. Here we go, sold listings. Sold listings, search. So this same scanner that I bought for $4.99 sold on March 23rd for $50. Another one sold March 11th for $75. Here's one for $65. There's one for $69. Now here's one, looks more like my thing. Let's see about this listing. This is how I usually figure. I don't have an antenna or nothing. I have just the charger, which this, look at that. So this one sold for $49.88 plus $12.80.